How can you create these white flashes? Well, you don't have to. All you need to do is download this overlay from the link in the description below and drop it over the video. After that, you can grant the power of invisibility to this overlay by removing the green screen. You can do this by going to the Effects panel and typing "key" in the search bar. Then under the Keying folder, you'll see an effect called Color Key. Drag it and drop it onto the overlay and then go to the Effect Controls panel. Go to the effect you just used and click on this eyedropper icon in the Key Color section. Then get your ass over here to the playback and click on the green color. As you saw, this small box absorbed the green color from the playback and made the background transparent so that the video at the bottom can be seen. But there's still some green left, so we can remove that by going to the Color Tolerance section and clicking on this number and dragging your mouse to the right until there's no trace of green on the playback. And now, it's showtime. If there's anything else you want to learn, let me know in the comments below. If you found value in this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notifications so that you won't miss any videos like this. For more tutorials like this, check out the playlist shown on the left side. Contact me for video editing services and I'll see you in the next video.